Good.
I have a question about what type of cloning, because in the procedure I was sent, there was two different approaches you could take.
Uh-huh.
She was using Piglo, and the second one was using something called PET28A positive. It sounds like the approach you would need to amplify the PF or GFP gene, and then you'd have to insert it into cloning sites, and then you'd have to use an inducer, and then use
Yes.
Is that what we would be doing, or are we using just Piglo?
Either one can work. Piglo is very easy.
Yeah, I did Piglo a while ago.
Yeah.
But they're both doable within the time frame?
Well, absolutely.
Oh, okay.
Now, it is possible you completely screwed up, which is in itself fine. So I do want to reiterate to everyone, cures can fail, and that is perfectly fine. It does not mean that you're going to fail the class, the grade, or anything like that. It's your learning objective. A great experiment, Charlotte, for some of you guys know, she did an experiment for like 8 months, and it failed spectacularly. She's still doing her work. She's still getting paid. Shit happens in science. So even if we fail, like, as long as you're not just dicking off and, failing on purpose. But, like, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I want you to learn, and I know, that you guys are really interested in genetics, especially Mar. This is right up your alley.
So I guess my question would be then, does anyone else in the group have a preference on Piglo or the other approach?
I actually was going to ask which one would be more learning, Rick?
I don't know. So we need to do some research to figure out which one's most doable.
Okay.
For you guys. So I think that's something you guys should look about this weekend.
Okay.
Yeah. Figure out kind of what you're interested in. Do some research.
Okay.
Honestly, and I know I've said this before, for you guys at this stage, ChatGPT is going to be fabulous.
Okay.
Okay.
It knows how to make these methods.
Okay.
Gotcha. I mean, personally, I think the second approach sounds a bit fun. I did Piglo and AP Bio, and it was cool, but there wasn't a ton to it.
We'll go with what you say since you've done the other one, and we do the research like Rick said also, or with your help, bro.
Is there anything in specific we should research about to have the information?
For this exact project?
Yeah.
Techniques. How is it done? Right?
PCR and all that.
Yeah, and so the generics of PCR, right?
Yeah.
You know how to do gels, those type of things. That's fine, but what reagents are they using? What specific things are they using? Start comparing how other groups do it, other researchers have done it, and we can start thinking about how to do it.
Okay.
So I think this sounds very reasonable. Brooke, you said you did something similar in AP Bio. I know that using GFP is really simple. We do it all the time.
Yeah, the Piglo, I did Piglo and AP Bio. That was 3 years ago, but I don't remember everything, but I do remember it was fairly simple and straight.
Yeah. So, again, we'll get there. We're gonna be okay.
Okay, and did you say another teacher that you knew about this? Or am I hearing things?
I talked to two, our lab tech.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So she's gonna be a lot of what to go to, hey, I need this reagent, or we're doing XYZ.
Okay, perfect.
Now, very honestly, probably, and Mar knows my wife, I'll have her help you guys with any of the logistics.
Wonderful. Yay. Excited.
She's a geneticist. She can pull this out and
Easy. Like nothing. Wonderful.
So she's going to get recruited for this.
Yay. I like that.
She's way cooler than I am too, so
That's no, I'm just kidding. But she is cooler.
Hey.
Here's most of my questions.
Cool. Yeah, so just do some research. We'll really pick up, we'll talk more tomorrow on the zoo. We'll talk on Monday. We'll be good and good.
Okay. I won't be on Tuesday, but Monday.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Sounds good.
Okay. Thank you. I don't know if there's anything else, Valentina or Brooke, on our side.
Not really, I think that's awesome.
Sweet. Okay. Well, I'll see you guys tomorrow
Okay.
and
Thank
or
you.
Monday.
Thank you.
Bye.